Hello. It's another beautiful day at the beach. I was going to just do an update of what we did. We were here for a few days. Moles, see, they moved over to next door, which is not cool. But they better behaved on my side. And we didn't do anything much out here. But we're working on the kitchen. Oh, we got my little Walmart tree up. And I put these shiny bright cerise hot pink bulbs on it. I hung my fish plaque. I got my cord chase on the TV. I got the VCR hooked up. And I'm going to build a little concealer box for that stuff. I got the hi-fi working. Got the troll in place. Oh, I got these little trees. We're getting ready to leave, so the heaters are set up. I got those little trees at Thrift City, and we got the counter in. That old counter didn't want to leave very bad, but we got it in. I really like it. See, it's gray cracked ice, and then I got this stainless metal edging, and then the sink. I really like this sink. Double sink with a smaller one, which I like for rinse and stuff. I got just a standard vintage style peerless faucet with a spray hose. See, I've changed my mind on my backsplash, and I'm gonna go find something else. I was gonna use vintage tile, but they were too loud. It goes all the way down here, and this is where we're gonna we got the pegboard. We just didn't have time to put it in. We were battling this all week. And then this is where my counter's going to go, all the way from here over to here. We're going to do that at home and just bring it down. And then the table will be right next to it. So that's pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty good. That's pretty much what we did. I'll do a quick walk through here. Is anything new? I'm not sure. That's from that end. And oh, I hung a pair. I'm finally able to hang some art. Oh, there's my little squirrel. There he is. I'm finally able to hang some art. I hung my space painting in this guest room, which I like. We're going to paint the inside of that closet white someday when we have 2 seconds. And bathroom, nothing new, just some gingerbready stuff. Get that. Oh, here's this wax burner is nice. I really like it. And nothing new in here. Nothing new. See, there's the burner, the heater. Oh, I got my Ray done. I really like this laundry basket. And what's in here? Anything new? Nothing much. I got my pig speaker going. He's really good. I can play my Pandora or Tidal or my MP3s on it. It's just my storage for my candles and my TP. Oh, I put this is my VCR DVD library. I don't know if you can see in there. Then I got all the DVDs in these crates. So that kind of wrangles that better. But that's pretty much it. I think that's it. So we're headed back, and we'll be down in a little while to do some more. It'll get there. So I will see you later. Bye.